Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystem.com, making this video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. So let's get started. Last week was a good one, and which ended yesterday. 32 trades altogether, right? And they're all posted on my website here, right? So you can come here and then see all of them. I'm just going to show a few of them because there are, too many, right? So for example, last, Friday trades, this is, NASDAQ, 235 points, right? This one is gold, 340 pip. This one is pound yen, 95 on Friday. And this one is 115 euro yen on Friday. But the thing is that notice that all of these trades, for example, these two, this is euro yen, this is pound yen. Look at the setup, right? The style and the setup, and this is down, this is down, this blue red candle coming in, and then all of a sudden turning blue, and then I open the trade. I don't open the trade, but my expert advisor, the robot, automatic trading robot, that is the opening trade opener. Here, the same setup. Here's the same setup. You see that? Here's the same setup for long, and then short is just the opposite. This is long, this is short. You can see it long. See, look at this one and this one, how similar they are. So this setup, the main thing is the setup, right? Four or five conditions to have setup, right? And then once they are there, my EA opens the trade. So this is how I'm able to. Otherwise, it is very hard to do like 34, 35 trades a week. All these big ones, 100 pip, 90 pip, all of these. You see this 85 pip, right? But if you notice again and again, you can go through all of that, all of these trades, you will see the setup is just the same. See the short setup, this is a long setup. Again, see this one and this one, how similar they are. This is a short setup here, short setup here. Same thing. Long setup here, long setup here. This is pound yen, this is USD yen, right? This is 220 pip, this is 135 pip trade. My entries are always here. See this buy order, and I shall move to break even plus. So all of these trades are taken by that robot, the expert advisor, right? And all I have to do is that, do my analysis, for example. Look, this is my analysis that, okay, this, for example, this one, I made the chart on the 23rd, right? Tuesday, Wednesday, for pound yen, that this thing is going to go up from here, right? Look exactly what happened. Exactly from there, it started to go up. Then I made another, chart, and then constantly going to the upside all the way there. So all I had to do is that put my robot in that direction on my entry chart, which is not 40 minutes, which is 20 minutes, half this, right? The smaller time frame, like 15-minute chart and 5-minute chart. So this is how I'm able to do it. So if I have like 4 or 5 setups that, okay, these pairs will go three go up and 3 will go down, then I'll put my robot on the 3 to go up long only, take long only trades, and then on the 2, the rest of the 2, they're like 2, take short only. Simple as that. And those are like, for example, this is how it is. Look, this pound yen, right? I just showed you that it is all the way to the upside. So obviously now from this is a strong number, 91.32, so it should be dropping. So what I will do when the market opens up, right? There was a short setup, entry setup, but I didn't take it because it was the end of the day, or the Friday, end of the week actually, right? But look at this. This is a short setup, right? But on Monday, if I have the same thing here, still not gap up or gap down, then I'll open the trade. Sunday when the market opens up, right? This is how easy it is. But you need to know exactly how. Usually I provide these charts. Like for example, this one euro yen. I made this chart that is gonna go up. So what I do is I'll put my EA on the 20-minute chart to take long only when the setup is available. And guess what happened? You see that? I had several trades going to the upside. And then, from move from here to here, how much is this? This is 161.50, and this is 163.50. So that's, 200 pip. And you can easily catch out 150 pip out of that, right? So this is how I was able to take all these 32 trades last week. And you can come here on the website, and then you can see the last week was 32. The one ended yesterday, and then before that was the Trump week, and that messed me up a lot, my lot of entries. So only 16 trades. But before that, was 34 trades. Before that week before that was, and come on, man, 26 trades, right? So all of these are there, and all the, see, look, entry here, short entry, long entry. See the short entry? And then this is short entry, same thing, right? Same entry here. So once the entry shows up, my EA robot, I can recognize the entry and it opens the trade. And I know how to close and how to take to the distance, right? Based on the daily range. Every pair has a different daily range. Like, for example, pound yen has 200 pip trade, right? So if my entry is like only 50 pip into the day, then that means that I have 150 pip more to go for the rest of the day to the day, complete the daily range, right? So why should I close my trade like 40 pip, 50 pip? No, right? For example, USD CAD, you see that? When the news came out with the USD weakness, 140 pip. Pound yen, big, 265, Aussie yen, right? Aussie weakness, shoot up, and then boom, it went down. Go 170. This is pound Aussie, 225 pip. This back of the news, right? Look at this, pound Aussie, and this is Euro Aussie, both. So that tells you what entries are almost the same, right? And it is, the power of the move. It shows that there was a weakness in Aussie dollar. So the news came out, boom, the EA take it. But if you try to do it manually, how many charts you can look at the same time, right? Maybe two or three. That's it, and the rest trade will happen, and you wouldn't even know. So if once I have the idea that this can happen after the news, and if I have a 40-minute chart or anything, harmonic pattern, Elliott wave with this and that, so I make my 40-minute charts setup already ahead of time, and then place my EA on the 20-minute chart and 7-minute entry chart, and then EA takes the entry. So if you want this robot, come on my website and or email me. I'll explain you. I'll give you the video that you can exactly know how exactly this robot works and what needs to be done. And for the first time, I'm adding this, including this in a monthly subscription, right? So as long as that you have your subscription going on, you can use this EA, Expert Advisor. I used to give the alarm only version, but now I'm giving out this EA that opens the trade, plays the SL and the TP, and then SL move to break even plus, and all of that. Those features are there. So if once you place the EA on the chart, and if the setup is there, the EA is going to open the chart. Open the trade on the chart, and do all of these function automatically, placing the SL and TP, and the function is there to SL move to break even plus after 25, 30 pip, right? All of that. So just wanted to share with you guys. So like I said, if you like what you saw and you want to get a hold of it, or even if you want to learn more, then email me, myforestmagicwave@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to give you the video that will explain everything in detail. Bye for now, and talk to you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can get my videos on time.